Newcastle vs Liverpool. The match no go funny as Liverpool don't sack their and it's lost. Concert new coach.
Isaac debut.
Anybody will win go take his out today.
The match no go funny, but maybe the watch see as they go. So we pre-season matches will be the lead game. All of a sudden they don't win us. So
now we want
fate now.
Now we want
Can you imagine since the guy?
Look at small something.
But
for today match, we since now Newcastle where Liverpool they go. When they watch the Newcastle go really ball Liverpool because Newcastle don't already first of all now their home where Liverpool they come and Newcastle also they understand themselves and Liverpool also there's a new coach and that new coach now never to understand the players he never to really adapt with them so I think today match Newcastle they will win 2-0 for today match Newcastle will win Liverpool for my own prediction.
For me, this is a new season. So on the other side, Liverpool just they quiet for the transfer window. Like I said, they don't broke. Maybe
Who knows?
Nobody knows. So maybe, I don't know that they don't broke. Maybe the money where they sign players, they use and pay off their manager with their sack. So slot. So in the other side, Newcastle a team where they like fast players.
Yeah.
If you know fast, you know if you play for Newcastle. So they get Elanga will be speedster. Even this their attacker way the Bab Mala. So if Liverpool starts Frimpong for right back, then Newcastle get higher hand because first of all in their home and they want proof point saying a new season. So nobody wants to start the season like Man U. So that's everything. So I feel like say Newcastle will win the match, something like 2-1 because Liverpool will try to put they be big team where they no be.
But this one where Salah no come the Liverpool again.
we don't win match without Salah before.
Whether you go really affect them.
You know, it really affect us.
Okay,
Because
They already adapt before you come out.
no step part away
Club.
the play way club they use when Salah dey. This guy go use now.
Iraola like fast players.
So that's just the thing. But the thing we say, when they talk say Liverpool go lose this man, Liverpool lose this man. When they look am like saying that we be the underdogs for this game now.
No, that underdog. You want to show the team B. You want the main dog.
Not be so the team B. It go shock una.
We go watch him.
That's just it go shock una.
So what team you want prediction?
Because I know that now go what surprise all of us wey dey here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like in the surprise us for the preseason.
Like
As the surprise for the preseason.
That's just dish out tactics. All of us know the quality of players.
But no wahala now. We go see this match. We go win am 2-0.
Okay, Liverpool team.
Okay, for my own side, I think
It's hard to score.
Liverpool won't take this out today.
Take our play.
for my own side, just like what this guy talk, he talk saying Isaac David. For me, I believe say pressure go dey Isaac body. The guy no go
To prove
perform.
point.
You know go to perform today. I know they even count him in. Then I'm specifying mostly on Newcastle midfield. You know, say they don't lose so many. In fact, their midfield strength they don't lose them.
Yeah.
You grab Tonali, what was his name again? Bruno. Then
Guimaraes.
even Joelin himself will not even be.
We don't know whether he means
So-
so, play or not.
I don't think Newcastle actually stand a chance in that midfield. But if it comes to their fastness of play,
Transition
they still get that transition capacity to outrun. Because even Liverpool, in question themselves, still lose some defensive names like Robertson and Konate.
When they were very reliable.
Exactly.
Now the
So
one they play with
they fit exploit through that wings now. So for me, I think Newcastle still win this game like 1-0. No, not be like that the right Liverpool off, but based on wetin I don see, they no say their midfield strength don go. They will focus more on
Attacking,
wing play.
attacking.
And Frimpong na attacking wing back.
So once you don't come
so
out to come back, they had
They go just finish them from those. And Robertson again, safe, not even there for that left back again. So now just express will go be for the two sides.
So your prediction now
1-0
Newcastle.
Newcastle 1-0.
Now you say now Liverpool be underdog for this. But we just watch out how today match go, Sha. We just watch out.